Hiccups? You got hiccups, princess? Oh no. Hiccups? Show me your dimples, honey. Show me your dimples. Show me your dimples.
This has been learning since he walked in the door. He's learned how to come off a disappointing loss and bounce back. He's learned how to bounce back
Where'd it
from
go?
a game that you should have won.
There it is.
Everything that he learned is going to be
Oh
on the
no,
stage from here on
hiccups.
out. So much is on him being an African American quarterback and having success that he's having thus far. So he has some big shoes to fill, but he's definitely not scared. And I know he will.